Now let's go ahead and talk about number 3, which is where to look to get approved for a personal loan. I get this question asked all the time. Do I go to a credit union? Do I go to my local bank? Do I go online? Who do I borrow money from? And I can tell you that the person or the company that you want to borrow money from is who's going to give you the most amount and who's also going to give you the lowest interest with the best terms. You always want to do your research when it comes to getting a personal loan. Even just Google this. You can Google pre-approval for personal loan. You want to stay away from high interest. And at high interest, I'm talking about anything, if you're already paying 24 to 29% on credit cards, you might think, oh, well, I'm going to get a personal loan. The interest rate is going to be 20%, 24. That's better than my credit card debt. Yes, you are correct, but you're still going to be paying so much interest. It's going to defeat the purpose of why you're getting a personal loan. So one of the first places that we like to tell people to look is LightStream. LightStream is very good because their credit limits or the amounts that they approve up to is $100,000. Now this could pretty much put you in a position to either start a business and also pay off your credit card debt and maybe make some renovations in your home. But there's a lot of ways that you can get approved for a personal loan with LightStream. And the more you actually apply with them and pay it off, they'll be able to give you more money down the road. And the great thing is if you're able to access $100,000, which is a very high limit or a very high amount when it comes to personal loans, just imagine what you can do with that. Now, just make sure that you're not getting loans that you're not going to pay back, because now once you start having late payments, it's going to defeat the purpose of why you took out these personal loans in the first place. Now, you want to make sure your credit is good. And when I say credit is good, you typically want to have a 680 or above when you apply with LightStream, because I've seen that people that have a lower credit score than that, they typically will deny you or ask for more documents. And if you really want to be in a sweet spot, you want to be at 700 or above, because they'll ask for less and less documents once your credit score is better. Another place that I like to look is Discover. Discover does offer great terms when it comes to getting approved for personal loans, and their loan limits typically go up to like about $40,000, which is pretty much, that's common, right? LightStream does 100, but Discover does about $40,000, which is good. So if you already have a credit card with Discover, this could be one of the first places that you look, because you already have a relationship with them. You want to have a credit score typically around a 660. Okay, that's around the sweet spot what we see. If you have a 600 credit score, there's probably no point of applying with Discover, because you might get denied, but you never know. They do offer a soft pull when you do apply, so there's no hard inquiry unless you accept the loan. So by doing this, it lets you know, okay, maybe I can get 20 here, 15 there. And then once you start getting multiple loans, just make sure that you don't put yourself in a position to where you can't pay those loans back.